And we are back for the third and final period of the intermediate championship game here at the OSU Ice Rink. Our line looks like we've got Alex. Well, yeah, we'll get there when we get there. And a quick shot on goal there. Mark Gardner comes up with a save. It's tough to keep stats and commentate at the same time. You want to take stats?
No.
Got the draw over here to Mark's right. Won by the Devils, but it looks like Eric will get there first. We got a 3-on-2 if they hurry. The Devils are able to pick it up, but the Lightning keep it in. All the way back out to the Lightning defense. Dumps in, looks like the Lightning will chase it down. Centering it sounds blocked. Devils come in with a head of steam, they better get something to them. And a big save by Mark Gardner on the screenshot. Probably didn't see that one all too well, but we'll take the block.